you ready? We're about to hike up this extinct volcano. And then I'm gonna walk right through that water right there. Because I got the Columbia Drain Maker drain ports. Hurry up, Jen. Hurry up, Jenny. We got a long... I'm sorry, I hit the cancel button instead of the... Oh. All right, we got a long way. Hike along this path here. And up there, you can see people walking. Boom, 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 all the way up there, all the way up there, and up there. To this extinct volcano. Are you ready, Jen? Don't load me down. Don't load me down with your gear.
That's a good idea. I do need to load you
No.
with my gear.
No. God, it's gonna be ridiculous. All right, I gotta save my battery. Stay tuned for a live feed at the top of an extinct volcano in Edinburgh, Scotland. There you are. Thought I lost you. Thought I lost you. There you are. All right.